Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this Vivo V23 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show the top 5 tips for this device. So let's go ahead and start. So the first tip is the fact that you can set up the fingerprint or your face as the unlock method on this device. In order to do so, you just gotta open up the settings. Here scroll down until you stumble upon security category. And here you can set up either fingerprint or face. I'll just start off and show how you can set up the fingerprint. Choose the backup method, the backup unlock method that goes alongside the fingerprint. I'll just go with pattern. Set up the pattern, confirm it. Choose what kind of notification and what kind of content will be shown on the lock screen. And just start enrolling your fingerprint. You can also read this privacy statement if you'd like. The sensor, the fingerprint scanner is located right here on the bottom of your display, just under the screen itself. Just gradually enroll your fingerprints. So just lay your finger and lift after you feel the vibration. And you gotta do it until this fingerprint picture will be fully filled with blue, and that will mean that you have successfully scanned the fingerprint. Just take your time. Yep. As you can see, the fingerprint has been successfully added. Now we can go ahead and start using it, so let me demonstrate to you. Success. Now I'll show how you can set up the face unlock. Just confirm the login into the face unlock category, press an OK. Here you just gotta place your face at this circle. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Basically all you gotta do is just direct your selfie camera into your face and it will scan it, and as you can see we have successfully enabled the face unlock method. So let me demonstrate it to you real quick. As you can see, the lock icon on the top of your display is being successfully opened, which means that the device itself is unlocked. So that was it as for the biometrics. Next tip that I would like to share with you guys is the fact that you can change the screen refresh rate on this device. In order to do that, just open up the settings, go for the display and brightness, and here look for the screen refresh rates category, tap on it, and here you can choose from 3 values. So the first one being the 60 Hz of the screen refresh rate, which gets you better battery life, and the 90 Hz screen refresh rate, which gives you better and smoother animations and overall visual experience. And there is also the third value, which is called Smart Switch, which will choose the appropriate screen refresh rate value according to the condition and state of your battery. So if your battery is sufficient, it will just set it to the 90 Hz. And if you are running low on battery, it will get it down to 60 Hz. I'll just leave it at 90 as for right now. So moving on to the next tip is the always on display feature, which once activated basically displays some crucial information on the locked screen of your device. In order to access it, open up the settings, go for lock screen and wallpaper. Here just enable the switch, and as you will see, the always on display is successfully enabled. You can see it shows time, a date, and the percentage of your battery even when the screen is locked. Now we'll go ahead and configure it a little bit. Just by tapping on it, we can either choose the style of what kind of information is going to be displayed. For example, just this one looks cute. Tap on apply. You can also preview it. I'll just apply it. Get back to the menu. And here you can change the display mode as well, so you can either like set some schedule for it, make it so the always on display will activate itself once you somehow slightly move the phone, and just always on display all day. Once chosen, it will display the information that you have that we have set earlier, basically always. As you can see, it does not turn off. And there is also the section when you can choose what notifications are going to be displayed on the AOD of this Vivo V23 device. So you can either add or remove messages, phone or Facebook notifications. So moving on to the next tip, it's basically the whole settings category, which is called dynamic effects. So just open up the settings again, look for the dynamic effects, and it has all kinds of settings and all kinds of personalizations for a lot of different visual elements of your interface. So for example, we can enhance dynamic effects, which is not apparent just yet, but you will definitely spot the difference once you activate this function. Ambient light effect. As you can see, we can switch it on for the always on display or on screen display. And as it is stated here, it basically just makes so when the switch is enabled, an animation effect is displayed when receiving any notification in the off-screen state. There is also this unlock and enter home screen animations, as you can see, which you can alter and choose from. Fingerprint icon animation. As for right now, as you saw earlier, we have this animation. I'll just set it at this one. Fingerprint recognition animation. I'll make it to look like that. Looks pretty to me. Facial recognition animation. As you can see, we can either stick with this lock that I've shown you while testing out the face unlock method, or you can set any other animations, for example this smiley face, and tap on apply, of course, in order to apply the changes and make them valid. There's also all kinds of charging animations, insert USB animations, not that much, but still, and screen on or off animations. So you can fade away gradually, you can fade away from the right side, or should I say appear from the right side, from the top side, and etc. Or you can just set it to be instant like this and have basically just no animation whatsoever. And we are moving on to the fifth and last tip that I was going to show you in this video. It is called Easy Touch. In order to access it, just go for the settings, look for the shortcuts and accessibility. Here look for the Easy Touch category, tap on it, and once enabled, as you can see, this little dot appears, which is basically if you will not touch it or so, it will hide right here. And in order to call up for it, just drag it to the left like this, and you can set all kinds of scenarios for it. For example, if I'll tap on it, as you can see, it should open the menu. If I'll double tap, it will take the screenshot, or you can just, well, basically choose any available scenario, torch or whatever. I'll just show you real quick. So double tap the screenshot, single tap opens up the menu, enables the flashlight, takes the screenshot as well. Press and hold. By pressing and holding on this shutter button, should I say, you'll get to the home screen, or at least should. Yep, as you can see. And basically all kinds of other scenarios that you can configure and personalize. There is also the bar, which alters the visibility of this button, idle visibility, as you can see. The letter I get it, the more transparent it is, the more I put it into the right, it gets way more visible. Auto hide in full screen and auto hide after 3 seconds of inactivity, as you can see. Because once this switch is disabled, it will not hide into the side of your display. I guess you gotta manually drag it into there. So that was it, not only for this tip, but also for this video in whole. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.